Hi everybody, Jackie from Dietology. How are you? Well, it's Thursday night. We're almost to Friday, which means the weekend. So that's why I love Thursday nights. It's kind of like a pre-weekend, which is awesome. So I wanted to do a little outfitting session with our hoodies since tonight at midnight is the last time that we're going to be having our hoodies at 20% off. So it's a great deal. Get yours while you can. And I have a pin post at the top of the page that has the code for the hoodies. It's 20 and then hoodie, H-O-O-D-I-E. So grab your hoodie now because they are awesome. So I thought I would do a little show and tell on different ways that you can show your hoodie. And right now I have on, this is the one I always wear, which is the Night Out. We continued it for spring. The Night Out continues to be one of the best selling colorways that we have. And this weekend at my show up near Cleveland, the hoodies were a big hit and they were flying off the rack. I think, you know, everybody loves something soft and cozy to wear. So wanted to show you guys just a few ways you can wear your hoodie. So the obvious way is, I think, with jeans and some sort of a t-shirt. Like I have a long necklace on, which I love a long necklace because it makes you look long and lean, I think. And then like these jeans are fun because they have a little bit of bling worked into them. But some other ways you can wear your hoodie is I paired it with just a simple black dress, which is nice. And then you can add the pop of color with your hoodie. And this time of year where it's still cold, you could wear this with black tights and then black boots and look super cute. And then when it's a little bit warmer, you know, just ditch the tights and, you know, switch up your shoe. So this is one way, and this is the Aquarius hoodie, which is in our shades of turquoise. And then the other way I have it shown is, this is another Night Out hoodie. I have it paired back with a fun graphic tee that also has some bling on it. And then this is with, I know it's hard to tell, this is with a long maxi skirt. And if you're gonna pair it with the long skirt, just make sure that the skirt, this one is kind of more like a column. It's not too, it doesn't have a whole lot of fabric because you wanna make sure that you balance the outfit because this hoodie does have a lot of drape and fabric to it. So what's nice about this skirt, it's just kind of long and has a little bit of an A-line shape. But it would be real easy with this outfit with the black skirt to just put on a black shirt if you're not a big dress wearer, and that would dress this up a lot. So there's a lot that you can do with these hoodies. And then in this last outfit, this is our new Desert Rose colorway, and I've paired it back with one of our new solid layering tanks, and then white jeans, because I think you can wear white jeans whenever you want to. I think the old stigma of only wearing them after Labor Day to Labor Day, I think it's gone. Wear them when you want. And so this looks great, the pop of color up top with the white jean. And if you're not a big white jean wearer, I think olive or these, it's like an army green, these act as a neutral. So this would be another great option with this Desert Rose hoodie and then this bright coral tank top. So there's another fun way to wear our hoodie. And so again, today's the last day till midnight. If you want to grab a hoodie, get it now while they're 20% off. The code was 20 H-O-O-D-I-E. So grab them now. So I wanted to show you that real quick. And then I was playing around with infinity scarves. I had a lady at the show this weekend and she didn't want to buy an infinity scarf because she's like, I don't know how to wear it. And I said, oh, I call those our easy button scarves. You just twist them and then you put them on. And she's like, I just don't want to mess with it. And to me, I thought that infinity scarves are probably one of the easiest things to wear. So I know I've heard this about an infinity scarf before at one of my other shows. So I thought, I looked into it and I was like, well, there are some different ways that you can actually tie your infinity scarf. So I'm gonna slip off my hoodie real quick. And I thought I'd show you guys some fun ways that you can tie your infinity scarf. So this is our Night Out and the infinity scarf. Kind of keeping a theme here tonight of Night Out. And what I love about these other videos, when you go to search for like infinity scarf videos, they count this as like a way to wear it. I don't know about you, but like I am not wearing this thing. It's like an elephant trunk. So it's like, that's totally cheating. That's not really a way to wear a scarf. But anyway, so the easiest way to wear it is just to do the simple twist and then put it over your head. And I know my mom is in her 70s. She's like, I just don't know how to do it. So one time when I was down there with her, the easiest way to do it, if you get confused doing it on yourself, just take it off, look at it, and then you can slip it on over your head. And so that's what I did for her. And then I told her, I said, Mom, when you get home from church, just take it off and put it on the hanger so then you don't even have to retie it. So I got her fixed up. But that's one of the easiest ways, is just to twist it once and then there you go. Another way that you can do it is called the pull through. And you can do these, I think I showed you this way with our oversized scarf. You just grab it at one end, so you have your little hand there, and then you do a pull through. And this looks great. This looks great with basically any type of scarf. And this is nice, especially if you want to be a little cozy when it's cooler out. If you have a jacket on, this is nice because you have a lot of the fabric up here. So that's another way. Now this way, I should have shown you, I thought this was pretty ingenious. So you get it back in your figure 8. And I thought this was pretty cool because how many times have we all been caught out in the rain and the snow? And I had never thought of this. So you take the back edge of your scarf like this. Sorry, I look like a little Red Riding Hood. Then you just, if you're running out to your car or running into the store, you can just, or if it's cold and the wind is blowing, you can just pop that back up and wear it as a hood. And I'm like, why have I not thought of that before? Pretty genius, right? So that's so easy. And then I have seen my friends do this, where you can actually wear these like a little vest. And these work great, like if you have just a t-shirt on, or a shirt that's not really big and bulky. But how cute is this? Like if you're on a trip, or just don't want to pack a lot of clothes, or looking in your closet and you just want to freshen up your t-shirt, that's pretty cute. So you just slip your arms through and then it looks like a little vest. And this is all from an infinity scarf. And then the last way I'll show you, I thought this was pretty neat too. So you take it like this. So your hands are in the ends. Twist it twice. So you've twisted it in the center. And then bring it back together. And look how cool this is. Look. Just gives you some interest here. It kind of looks like you've knotted it up. I thought that was so cool. So those are all the ways that you can wear an infinity scarf. And who knew? Because it's just a simple loop of fabric. And then depending on your fabric, sometimes you can do a third loop. But I wanted to show you one last way. So some ladies I know who hear a lot, like they get hot, or if they're larger chested, they just don't want all this up here. So I totally understand. An easy way to do it is just take it, twist it, and knot it. And then that way you can kind of pull, the bulk of the scarf down here. And this is another lengthening technique. It makes you, anything that's long and lean like this, it draws your eye up and down. Hence why I like these long necklaces. They do the same thing. But this is great too. If you have like a long jacket, this is great to wear it this way because then you get that long and lean look. And again, this is great for ladies who say, oh, I just get so hot. I don't want it up here. Or, if they tell me that, oh, I already have so much going on up here. I don't want anything else. So this is another simple, easy way to really maximize these infinity scarves. So who knew you could do so much with a simple piece of fabric? So I thought those were some pretty cool ideas on how to get the most out of your infinity scarves. We have some great colorways of our infinity scarf out right now, and then we're going to be releasing our new spring colors next month on the infinity scarf. So Roseanne and Donna, so good to see you ladies. I'm so glad that you tuned in. And if you saw my post, somebody brought it to my attention that I had a little typo. I said, grab your glass of wine and joint us. Which I'm like, whoa, it's not that kind of party tonight. It's just wine and whatever else you want. And yeah, somebody brought that to my attention. So sorry that I got a little crazy on my invite there, but do what you want at home. I just, we're not doing that here, but hey, by no means, I don't judge. Do what you got to do. But who knows? Maybe one night we'll have a crazy party. I don't know. Well, thanks you ladies for tuning in tonight. Tomorrow's Friday. In Ohio, we've had sun, so... Oh, Donna, you didn't catch that? Yeah, well, I edited it, and then a couple ladies in the comments had said it, so it's in the comments. And then what's funny is yeah, Donna, I don't know if you know, my husband's a Columbus police officer, and he saw the post too, and he made a little comment too. So don't worry, Columbus Police Department, we're not doing anything crazy over here at the Ayers household, so... Check out the comments. It was pretty funny. I made somebody's day. So, all right, ladies. Well, have a great rest of your weekend. If you're going out for St. Patrick's Day, wear your green. Have some green beer. Have some fun. I'm going to be on my couch probably binge watching something on Netflix. So, you guys have a great rest of your night, and I will talk to you later. See you guys.